Have you been searching for a home in Canyon? Well, surprise, surprise, I have a perfect one for you. It's on Sandra. It's spectacular. It's sensational, and I know you will want to see it.
Absolutely amazing in Canyon East. Open concept floor plan with many wonderful upgrades that make this a stunning home. Keep warm on those cold winter nights with the floor-to-ceiling wood-burning gas stone fireplace. The kitchen offers tons of beautiful cabinets, gas range, plus a breakfast bar. There is granite throughout and 10-foot ceilings in the main areas. The isolated owner's suite is a retreat with a deluxe master bathroom with 2 vanities, soaking tub, and separate shower. There's a large entertaining patio with a beautiful backyard and sprinkler system. This home is a must-see.
I told you this sophisticated home on Sandra would satisfy all your needs. For your personal tour, call me, Lisa Harris, 806-433-2783.